Hello, my name is Jed Albring, and welcome to this video about the ClickFunnels 30 Days book. So I'm going to tell you about the book here. I want to let you know that I went through this challenge, the first one, I want to say it was the first of the year, end of December, and they have really stepped up the game since then because it was so popular. And I had been a ClickFunnels user for about 3 years before going through this one funnel away challenge. I can tell you right now, I learned a crap load from this challenge. I mean, just about creating offers, putting products together. So even if you don't have a product, and what's really cool about the book that you get is that you're going to learn from people from all different industries who are all $1 million earners within ClickFunnels. So meaning they've made at least $1 million inside of one funnel, not multiple funnels, but one funnel. So the book itself, guys, is going to contain the interviews with the $1 million earners, plus it's going to contain their 30-day plan. So this was extremely helpful for me, and kind of separating from, I'm an agency, so I build funnels for other people, but then I'm starting to build my own affiliate business and kind of start moving towards promoting other products. So this really helped me to create offers around my products, how to reconfigure my funnels, but even more importantly, how to get traffic, how to build a tribe, how to use Facebook groups, how to use webinars. So when you look at this book and you look at this 30-day challenge, I recommend watching every single video from every interview and reading every chapter. The reason being is you're going to learn something different from each of these people. So let's say you are somebody who sells physical products and you read Jamie Cross's Jamie Cross sells soap, and her a lot more than soap, but her company's done well over $1 million inside of one funnel. But then there's Julie Stoyne, who's more on the consulting side. It doesn't matter whether you sell products or consulting, or you're an affiliate, or you're looking to grow a dental practice or whatever, you will learn something from each of these people. All the lessons that you get in this book can apply to your business. So don't put aside anybody. And I made the mistake of looking through the list and picking out the people that were more close to my niche. But I went back and watched every single one, and I was blown away. Actually, some of the people that I didn't feel had much to offer me in my business gave me the most info. So the book is jam-packed with interviews. It also gives their 30-day blueprint. So you're hearing from these $1 million earners, if they had to start over with absolutely nothing, here is step-by-step what they would do to get it all back in 30 days, or at least get on track to getting it back. So I highly recommend that you get started with the One Funnel Away Challenge. The hard copy book and the blueprint and also the MP3 player will be sent to you. Usually comes within a couple days. So they're only running the One Funnel Away Challenge at the moment. I believe it's every other month. So depending when you see this video, register now for the next one. Save your spot, get in it. Whether you're brand new to funnels or you've been around for a long time, this will blow your mind. It is priceless information, and you get the interviews, plus you get to see behind the scenes and look inside their funnels and see how they built their funnels. That is insane value right there. So that's the ClickFunnels 30 Days book, guys. I will put a link below where you can get access to it. If you're just trying to buy the book itself, you can't do that. Now, I've heard rumors of people on eBay selling the book, but the funny thing is they're selling the book for a couple $100 when you can get the entire challenge and the book for $100. So I'll put a link below. Get started. Enjoy. It's life-changing.